Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Segfaults, segmentation faults, can be frustrating to deal with, especially when working with Python types and C++. This tutorial aims to guide you through the process of identifying and fixing segmentation faults in your Python types code that interacts with C++. Make sure you have the following installed. A segmentation fault occurs when a program tries to access a restricted area of memory. This often happens due to issues like dereferencing null or invalid pointers, buffer overflows, or memory corruption. Let's create a simple project structure. mylibrary.h. main.cpp. Create a CMakeLists.txt file in the project folder. CMakeLists.txt. Run the following commands to build the C++ code. This will create a libmylibrary.a file in the build directory. ctypes_example.py. Run the Python script. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the output. Ensure that all pointers passed between Python and C++ are properly initialized. In the C++ code, check for null pointers before dereferencing them. Make sure the size of the arrays passed to C++ functions matches the expected size. Mismatched sizes can lead to memory access violations. Ensure that memory is properly allocated and deallocated in both Python and C++ code. For example, if you allocate memory in C++, make sure to release it when done. On Linux, enable core dumps to get more information about the segmentation fault. Run the following commands. This allows core dumps to be generated. When your program crashes, check the core dump file for more details. Use the GDB debugger to identify the location of the segmentation fault. Add the following line to your CMakeLists.txt file. Rebuild your project and run your Python script with GDB. When the program crashes, type BT in GDB to get a backtrace and identify the source of the issue. Troubleshooting segmentation faults requires careful examination of your code and an understanding of memory management. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using debugging tools like GDB, you can identify and fix issues causing segmentation faults in your Python types and C++ projects. ChatGPT.